These are your weight classification according to your BMI. W over H to the power 2, 1.92, and as you can see, it rounded the numbers for me. Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. This is Coding Adventures, and in today's video we are going to learn and apply some Python basics to create a BMI calculator. What is BMI? BMI is body mass index. It's an index used to classify your weight range. So according to CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, these are your weight classification according to your BMI. So in today's video, we are gonna use the Bmi formula, which is weight over height power 2, in order to create a simple and a very easy BMI calculator using this formula. This is a project for very beginners. It's very easy and you're gonna apply some Python basics in it. So let's get started right away. And first, as you can see, we need an input. First, we need two inputs from the user, which is weight and height. Now we're gonna use the input function to create the two inputs. Weight, let's set W to be the variable for weight, equals float, so that we can enter decimals. Input, so this is to get the input. Let's say enter your weight. Just copy and paste the same for height. Now we created the input. Let's now write the formula. BMI equals W over H to the power 2, and these two asterisks means power. And now we're gonna use the if condition. And in the if conditions, we're gonna set these ranges, the ranges from cdc.gov, to print or output to the user his BMI range, to print and output the user his BMI with the range of his weight, whether it's normal or obese or overweight or underweight. So let's see, if BMI is smaller than 18.5, we're gonna print BMI is, and we're gonna enter the variable BMI here in order to appear for the user, and it falls within the underweight range. Now we're gonna copy this and just change the condition, and we're gonna use the elif to set another condition. Elif, you can see BMI is greater than or equal 18.5, and I put the AND operator, and BMI is also smaller than or equal 24.9 as here in the range. As you can see, now it falls within the normal weight range. Now just let's copy and paste and edit the condition and the output here from normal weight, and here's the final code. Let's run it and let's enter the weight, which is, let's say 95, and the height, let's say 192. Oh, I entered the height with the centimeters, so I'm gonna just change this and tell it in meters, and run it again and enter the weight in kilograms. And oh, I'm gonna also add this here just to help the user. Let's run the code again and enter the weight. Let's say example 95 meters, 192, or oh, again I was gonna do it again, 1.90. Now as you can see, it runs successfully, and it tells me that your BMI is 25 point and it falls within the overweight range. But I see that a lot of decimal points or decimal places are here. I want to decrease that, so I'm gonna use the round method and round BMI, and I'm gonna change it, as you can see, inside each output in the print BMI, and then set the second argument to be 1. Just copy this, paste it in each output, run the code again. 95, same numbers, 1.92, and as you can see, it rounded the numbers for me. And that's it. That's how to create a BMI calculator. It was a very easy project, and you can apply, and we applied the if conditioning and the input Python basics or Python concepts. And hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and the video. Stay tuned for our other videos, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and stay tuned.